हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस YouTube चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का हार्दिक स्वागत रमन क्लासेस की ओर से। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो। फॉर क्लास 9, हियर द नेम ऑफ द चैप्टर इज मोशन। Name of the chapter is motion. This chapter is related with physics. Before explanation of this chapter, I would like to discuss some elementary ideas about physics. Physics. Do you know what you mean by physics? Physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of the force of attraction, the force of repulsion, their nature, magnitude and results. This is the exact definition of physics. In another way, we can also define physics. The branch of science which deals with the study of nature and natural phenomena. Do you know what is natural phenomena? Earthquake, cyclone, tornadoes, etc. These all are the natural calamity which can cause the destruction of life and property. I have just given two definitions about physics. Now another definition I would like to clarify to you. The branch of science in which we study about electricity, about magnetism, their properties and applications. Briefly, it can be said that the branch of science which deals with the study of light, electricity and magnetism is called physics. So I have just explained what do you mean by physics. There are different definitions of physics. Whatever the exact definition, I would like to write down here. The branch of science which deals, साइंस का वह ब्रांच जिसमें जो संबंधित है, जो रिलेटेड है, deals with study of force of attraction, force of attraction. As I think you know very well what is the force of attraction. When the two opposite poles of the magnet are brought near by each other, when two poles, opposite poles of the magnet, like North Pole and South Pole, both are brought near by each other, what will happen? They will attract. But when the like poles of the two magnets are brought near by each other, what will happen? They will repel. That's why I have written here, a study of force of attraction, the force of repulsion, their nature, magnitude means होता है value, and result. Again try to understand here, the branch of science, science का वह branch which deals with, जो related है study of force of attraction, force of attraction से force of repulsion से related है their nature, magnitude. Nature means if the body may be either positive charge or negative charge. The body may have the opposite poles, North Pole or South Pole. These are the nature. Magnitude, value. Magnitude means होता है value. And results, whatever we get just as the conclusion after doing the experiment. एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद हमने क्या पाया? What were the outcomes we have got after doing experiment? So I was explaining just as the force of attraction, the force of repulsion, their nature, magnitude. Magnitude means होता है value and results. Results means suppose that we have performed an activity. हमने एक एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म किया and after doing the activity or experiment, whatever we have got the result, whatever we have got the outcome, जो हमने आउटकम पाया, that outcome is the result. वही आउटकम क्या है? रिजल्ट. So in this way you have got the definition of physics. Physics, it has been classified into two categories. One is the ancient physics or another is modern physics. Under the ancient physics, we study about motion, about gravitation, about work and energy, power, heat. These all chapters are studied in the ancient physics. But these days, modern physics another. Under the modern physics, we study about light, electricity. Now, do you know who is the father of ancient physics? एंशियंट फिजिक्स का फादर कौन है? फादर ऑफ एंशियंट फिजिक्स सर आइजक न्यूटन. एंड फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न फिजिक्स दिस इज अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. फादर ऑफ एंशियंट फिजिक्स तो सर आइजक न्यूटन और फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न फिजिक्स तो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन. इन दिस वे यू हैव गॉट द एलिमेंट्री आइडिया अबाउट फिजिक्स. नाउ लेट अस स्टडी अबाउट द चैप्टर मोशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से देयर आर टू कंडीशंस ऑफ द बॉडी. बॉडी मे बी स्टैटिक or body may be in dynamic. There are two conditions of the body. Body may be in static. Body अस्थिर हो सकता है और body may be in dynamic. Body dynamic हो सकता है, body motion में हो सकता है. So first of all, I would like to explain there are two conditions of a body. बॉडी का दो कंडीशंस होता है, दो अवस्था होता है, स्टेज होता है, फेज होता है. वन बॉडी एट रेस्ट. बॉडी एट रेस्ट. डू यू नो व्हेन डू वी से द बॉडी एट रेस्ट? क्या आप जानते हैं कि बॉडी को रेस्ट में कब कहा जाता है? अ बॉडी में बी एट रेस्ट. अ बॉडी में बी एट रेस्ट if there is no position, there is no change in position, there is no change in position with respect to time. A body may be at rest if there is no change in position of the body with respect to time. Pay attention here. A body is at rest if it does not change its position. कि कोई भी बॉडी रेस्ट में होता है इफ अगर इट डज नॉट चेंज, अगर यह चेंज नहीं करता है इट्स पोजीशन, अपना पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. आई वुड लाइक टू गिव वन एग्जाम्पल. A book kept on a table. A book kept on a table. टेबल पर रखा हुआ बुक. Suppose that a book is kept on the table and after passing 4 hours, 3 hours and we get the position of the table, position of a book again, we find that the position of a book remains the same. What does it mean? Time has been passed, but the position of the body has not been changed. बॉडी का पोजीशन चेंज नहीं हुआ, जबकि टाइम हैज बीन पास्ड, लेकिन टाइम बदल गया। दिस ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन्स द बॉडी इज एट रेस्ट। दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्टैटिक बॉडी। यह स्टैटिक बॉडी का एग्जाम्पल है। स्टैटिक बॉडी, स्टैटिक का मतलब होता है अस्थिर। स्टैटिक का मतलब क्या होता है? अस्थिर। बॉडी रेस्ट में है, अस्थिर है। सेकेंड, बॉडी इन मोशन। बॉडी इन मोशन, you can also write the definition on this basis. A body in motion, a body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to time. अब जरा मतलब समझे इसका कि कोई भी बॉडी मोशन में कहा जाता है अगर यह चेंज करता है, अगर यह बदलता है अपना पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम, टाइम के अनुसार यदि वह अपना पोजीशन चेंज करता है, इसका मतलब बॉडी मोशन में होना कहा जाता है। अ बॉडी इज सेड टू बी इन मोशन इफ इट चेंजेस इट्स पोजीशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टाइम। एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a running train, a running train, चलती हुई ट्रेन, a flying bird, और कर दीजिए, a flying bird, these are the examples of body in motion. I have just explained. Here there is a term, try to study kinematics. Kinematics. Do you know what is kinematics? Kinematics means होता है गतिकी। The branch of physics. The branch of physics in which we study about the branch of physics in which we study about condition of the body, conditions of the body, बॉडी की अवस्था क्या है? अवस्था मीन्स होता है स्टेज। व्हाट इज द स्टेज ऑफ अ बॉडी? This branch of science physics is called as kinematics. फिजिक्स के इस ब्रांच को काइनेमेटिक्स कहते हैं। Has anybody any confusion? The branch of science physics in which we study about the condition of a body, that is called as kinematics. Now let us study about the different types of motion. Motion is mainly classified into 5 categories. Motion is mainly classified into 5 categories. Always concentrate your mind while studying. There are mainly 5 types of motion. Linear motion, random motion. First is linear motion, second random motion, third circular motion, fourth periodic motion, and fifth oscillatory motion. I have just explained 5 types of motion. Let us study about the linear motion. Linear means straight. When a body travels on the straight path, this type of motion is said to be linear motion. When a body travels on the straight path, this type of motion of a body is said to be as linear motion. As for example, A bob fired from a gun. A bob fired from a gun. This is the example of linear motion. Another, this linear motion has also been specialized, such as rectilinear motion. Example, moving of a train on the railway track. Moving of a train on the railway track. This is the example of rectilinear motion. You have just studied about the linear motion. Now, try to write down these facts. Linear motion. Linear motion. Let us study the different types of motion. Few minutes back I have explained there are 5 types of motion. Linear motion, random motion, circular motion, periodic motion and oscillatory motion. How many I have explained? Linear motion, random motion, circular motion, periodic motion and oscillatory motion. Keep these different varieties of motion in your mind. I would like to discuss each and every type one by one with the help of the example. Let us study linear motion. A body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be in motion if it travels on a straight path. Let us study here. A body is said to be in linear motion. What kind of motion? Linear motion. A straight motion. If it travels on the straight path. अगर कोई बॉडी स्ट्रेट पाथ में ट्रेवल करता हो तो बॉडी के इस मोशन को लिनियर मोशन कहते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कंसीडर ए इज द रेफरेंस पॉइंट. ए बी, दिस इज द स्ट्रेट पाथ, दिस इज द लिनियर पाथ एंड अ बॉल, दिस इज अ बॉल which rolls on this path B, and this ball goes from A to B. So what kind of motion is it? What kind of motion it is? This is the example of linear motion. Moving of a ball on a straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन पर किसी बॉल का मूविंग करना. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ लिनियर मोशन. आई ऑल्सो कंसीडर ऑन अनदर एग्जाम्पल अ बॉब. बॉब मीन्स होता है गोली. बॉब मीन्स क्या होता है? गोली. अ बॉब फायर्ड फ्रॉम अ गन. बंदूक से छोड़ी गई गोली. बंदूक से छोड़ी गई गोली. दिस इज ऑल्सो द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ लिनियर मोशन. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस अनदर रैंडम मोशन. रैंडम मोशन. A body is said to be in random motion if the body travels on the zigzag path or curved path. अगर कोई बॉडी जिगजैग पाथ और कर्व पाथ पर ट्रेवल करता है तो इस टाइप के मोशन को रैंडम मोशन कहते हैं. हैव यू सीन द मूवमेंट ऑफ बटरफ्लाइज? हैव यू सीन द मूवमेंट ऑफ हनी बीज, मॉस्किटोज? दीज ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रैंडम मोशन. पे अटेंशन हियर. दीज आर द कर्व्ड पाथ. दिस शो इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉस्किटोज. मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉस्किटोज. मॉस्किटो ऑलवेज मूव्स रेंडमली. मॉस्किटो रेंडमली मूव करता है. आई ऑल्सो मेक द डेफिनेशन हियर. अ बॉडी इज said to be in random motion if it travels on curved or zigzag. Zigzag means होता है टेढ़ा मेढ़ा. This is the zigzag path. Zigzag path. अगर कोई बॉडी मान लिया कि ए से चलना स्टार्ट किया, here there is no proper direction for the movement of a body. Here बॉडी के मूवमेंट का कोई प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन नहीं है. देयर इज नो फिक्स डायरेक्शन फॉर द मूवमेंट ऑफ अ बॉडी. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मोशन इट इज? दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ रैंडम मोशन. मूवमेंट ऑफ मॉस्किटोज, मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्लाइज. फ्लाइज माने मक्खी, बीज मधुमक्खी, बीज. These all are the examples of the random motion. Now let us study about the circular motion. Let us study about the circular motion. Do you know what is circular? This is the path. This is the circular path. This is the circular path. This is the center of the circle. A body starts traveling from A. Here A is the initial point. A कौन सा पॉइंट है? इनिशियल पॉइंट है. इनिशियल का मतलब स्टार्टिंग होता है. इनिशियल का मतलब स्टार्टिंग होता है. दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट द बॉडी स्टार्ट्स मूविंग ऑन दिस सर्कुलर पाथ. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मोशन इट इज? दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन. दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज सेड टू बी सर्कुलर मोशन. वी कैन ऑल्सो डिफाइन सर्कुलर मोशन एज when a body travels on the circular path. When a body travels on the circular path, this type of motion is said to be a circular motion. As for example, movement of revolution of the earth around the sun. Revolution of the earth around the sun. Earth also revolves on the circular path, on the elliptical path. The earth also revolves on this type of circular path or elliptical path. This is also the example of circular motion. Similarly, revolution of the moon around the earth. This is also the example of circular motion. In this way, you have learned what we mean by circular motion and what are these examples. Now, let us try to write about the circular motion related facts. These are: a body is said to be in circular motion if it travels on circular path. Study here. A body is said to be in circular motion if it travels on the circular path. अगर कोई बॉडी सर्कुलर पाथ में घूमता हो, सर्कुलर पाथ में यूनिफॉर्मली और नॉन यूनिफॉर्मली मूव होता हो, दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज सेड टू बी सर्कुलर मोशन. एग्जाम्पल: रिवॉल्यूशन. रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन. सन के चारों ओर अर्थ का रिवॉल्यूशन. सन के चारों ओर अर्थ का रिवॉल्यूशन. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सर्कुलर मोशन. पे अटेंशन हियर. दिस इज द सन. अर्थ. दिस इज अर्थ which also revolves on the circular path around the sun. What kind of motion it is? This is the example of circular motion. Similarly, moon also revolves. Moon also revolves. This is position of moon. It also travels on this circular path, on this elliptical path. Do you know what is the name of this elliptical path? This elliptical path is known as orbit. The elliptical path along with all the celestial body revolve. Why elliptical path? जिस पर सभी सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज यूनिफॉर्मली और नॉन यूनिफॉर्मली रिवॉल्व करता है, दैट इलिप्टिकल पाथ इज सेड टू बी ऑर्बिट. तो रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ the moon around the earth. This is also the example of circular motion. I have just explained about the circular motion. Now let us study about the periodic motion. Periodic means the repeated. When a body repeats the same action, in equal time interval, then the motion of the body is said to be in periodic motion. Pay attention here. What do you mean by periodic motion? Periodic motion. When a body repeats the same action in equal time interval, then motion of the body is said to be periodic motion. Pay attention here. Example: movement of the earth around the sun. Few minutes back I have said motion of the earth, revolution of the earth around the sun, that is circular. Why? Because the earth travels on the circular path. Due to movement of the earth on the circular pathway, we can also say the motion of the earth is circular. But we know that the earth also completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. The same time is also taken to complete next one revolution in the next year. This action is repeated by the earth every year. That's why the revolution of the earth is also said to be as periodic motion. So you have just got the information about the revolution of the earth. This is also periodic. Here the question rises as why is the revolution of the earth around the sun is periodic? Why is the revolution of the earth around the sun is periodic? Because the earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours every year. That's why the same action is repeated by the earth every year in equal time interval. That's why the revolution of the earth around the sun is also periodic. In this way, as I think all of you have understood, if a body completes the same action in equal time interval, then the motion of the body is said to be periodic. Now let us study about the oscillatory motion. Oscillatory. Do you know what we mean by oscillation? Oscillation. To and fro motion of a body. To and fro motion of a body from the mean position. To and fro motion of a body from the mean position in any side. This is called as oscillation. Have you seen the movement of the swing? आप झूले की गति देखे हैं? Have you seen the movement of swing? This is also the example of oscillatory motion. In the same way, the movement of a simple pendulum This will also be the example of the oscillatory motion. Now write down some points.
Yes.
I am going to explain about oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. When a body moves to and fro. To and fro means होता है आगे पीछे. To and fro means क्या होता है? आगे पीछे. From the mean position. Do you know mean? Mean का मीनिंग होता है मिडल. मीन का मीनिंग होता है मिडल. सेंट्रल. सेंट्रल पोजीशन. सेंट्रल पोजीशन. जब कोई बॉडी मूव करता है टू एंड फ्रो, आगे पीछे, फ्रॉम द मीन पोजीशन, दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन is said to be, this type of motion is said to be oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. As for example, movement of a simple pendulum. Movement of a simple pendulum. Simple pendulum. Movement of swing. Movement of swing. Movement of a swing. Swing means होता है झूला. Swing means क्या होता है? झूला. Let us study this diagram. This is the diagram of a simple pendulum. This is the base. This is called as hook. Hook. This is the point of suspension. The point of suspension. Suspension means क्या होता है? The point of suspension. लटकन बिंदु. जिस पॉइंट से लटकाया गया हो, पेंडुलम को जिस पॉइंट से लटकाया जाए, उस पॉइंट को पॉइंट ऑफ सस्पेंशन कहते हैं. दिस इज द थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. दिस थ्रेड इज कॉल्ड एज पेंडुलम. इस थ्रेड को पेंडुलम कहते हैं. एंड एट लोअर एंड ऑफ अ पेंडुलम देयर इज अ मेटल बोब. ये मेटल बोब होता है, मेटल की बनी हुई गोली. मेटल की बनी हुई गोली. This is a simple pendulum. Here the movement of this pendulum happens. This is the original position A, O, this is A and this is B. This pendulum starts moving from O, this goes to B and again it comes as O. This is the original position. This is the extreme position. This is also the extreme position. A and B both are the extreme position, whereas A is the initial position. Initial IP, initial position. FP, final position. This is also FP, final position. This is initial position. You have just got the information about the to and fro motion of the body. This type of motion is said to be as oscillatory motion. If you like, you have to give the feedback from your side. If you get much benefit from this video, please like, share, comment as well as subscribe, so that you can get several times of notification in the next video. This is the part 1 based on motion.